Google Nest Cam Installation Service, Tampa. Smarter security with professional installation. The Google Nest Cam battery is one of the most advanced security cameras on the market today, offering homeowners and businesses in Tampa cutting-edge technology for enhanced security. With 1080p HD video, intelligent alerts, up to 3 hours of free event video history, and seamless integration with Google Assistant, it's no wonder the Google Nest Cam is a top choice for those looking for a smart security solution. However, like many smart devices, getting the most out of your Google Nest Cam requires proper installation and configuration. At SecureView Security Cameras Tampa, we specialize in Google Nest Cam installation services to ensure your camera is set up correctly for optimal performance. Whether you're protecting your home or a business property, our professional installers will ensure that your system is ready to provide reliable, around-the-clock security. Why choose professional Google Nest Cam installation in Tampa? While the Google Nest Cam offers an easy-to-use setup, professional installation guarantees that your camera is optimally placed and configured to meet your specific security needs. Here's why residents and business owners in Tampa trust SecureView Security Cameras for their Google Nest Cam installations. 1. Strategic camera placement for full coverage. Camera placement is one of the most important factors in the effectiveness of any security system. A poorly positioned camera can leave blind spots, reducing your overall protection. Our team conducts a thorough survey of your property to determine the best locations for your Google Nest Cam, ensuring complete coverage of doors, windows, driveways, and other critical areas. We make sure that your camera is installed where it will provide maximum visibility without being exposed to unnecessary risks like harsh weather or tampering. 2. Wi-Fi optimization for reliable streaming. The Google Nest Cam relies on a strong Wi-Fi connection to stream live video and send alerts to your phone. If your camera is installed too far from your router, or if there are obstacles like thick walls in the way, you may experience connectivity issues, which can result in delayed or missed footage. Our professional installation service ensures your camera is positioned in areas with optimal Wi-Fi strength, and we can recommend solutions such as Wi-Fi extenders if needed to ensure smooth, uninterrupted streaming. 3. Smart home integration. The Google Nest Cam is part of Google's smart home ecosystem, which means it can be integrated with other smart devices like Google Assistant, Nest thermostats, and smart lights. Our team will help you set up your Google Nest Cam so it works seamlessly with your existing smart home devices. This allows you to control your camera with voice commands, receive real-time alerts, and view footage directly from your Google Home app or smart display. 4. Customized motion detection and alerts. The Google Nest Cam uses advanced AI to differentiate between people, animals, and vehicles, ensuring that you only receive relevant alerts. However, setting up these notifications and motion detection zones can be tricky if you're not familiar with the system. Our professional installers will customize these settings based on your property's layout and your security needs, ensuring that you only receive notifications for the events that matter most, whether it's someone approaching your front door or a vehicle entering your driveway. 5. Weatherproof installation for Tampa's climate. Tampa's tropical weather can be unpredictable, with heavy rain, high humidity, and intense heat. The Google Nest Cam battery is designed to withstand outdoor elements, but proper installation is key to ensuring its longevity. Our team ensures that your camera is mounted securely and weatherproof to handle Tampa's climate, providing year-round protection without the risk of weather-related damage. Avoid common DIY installation issues. The Google Nest Cam is designed for DIY installation, but many users encounter issues that affect the camera's performance. By choosing professional installation, you can avoid these common mistakes and ensure your security system is running smoothly. 1. Weak Wi-Fi signal. Poor connectivity can result in dropped video streams or delayed alerts. 1. We ensure your camera has a strong connection for reliable performance. 2. Missed security zones. DIY installers often position cameras incorrectly, missing key areas like doorways or driveways. 2. Our professional installers strategically place cameras for complete coverage. 3. Motion detection issues. Incorrectly set motion detection zones can lead to too many false alerts or missed activity. 3. We configure your camera's motion detection to ensure you're notified of important events. 4. Weather damage. Tampa's weather can be tough on outdoor electronics. 4. Our team ensures your camera is properly mounted and protected from rain, heat, and humidity. Why choose SecureView Security Cameras Tampa for Google Nest Cam installation? At SecureView Security Cameras Tampa, we are dedicated to providing professional, reliable security solutions for homes and businesses. When you choose us for your Google Nest Cam installation, you benefit from 1. Experienced technicians. Our team has extensive experience installing and optimizing smart security systems, including the Google Nest Cam. 2. Local expertise. We understand the unique challenges of securing homes and businesses in Tampa, from weather conditions to local security needs. 3. Comprehensive support. We offer more than just installation. Our team provides ongoing support and maintenance to ensure your system continues to operate at its best. 4. Tailored solutions. Every property is different. 4. We work with you to design a custom security solution that meets your specific needs. How to schedule your Google Nest Cam installation in Tampa ready to enhance your home or business security with the Google Nest Cam. Contact SecureView Security Cameras Tampa today for a free consultation and professional installation service. Call us at 813-489-9332 or visit www.secureviewcameras.com to book your appointment. Our expert team will handle every aspect of the installation, from camera placement and Wi-Fi optimization to smart home integration and system testing. Let us help you take full advantage of the Google Nest Cam's advanced features, so you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your property is protected.